Module 9. Innovative funding mechanisms, fintech solutions, and alternative investment vehicles. 1. Innovative funding mechanisms. Businesses now have access to diverse funding methods beyond conventional channels. Crowdfunding. Raising small amounts of capital from large numbers of individuals via online platforms. Reward-based, equity-based, or donation-based. Angel networks and syndicates, leveraging networks of high-net-worth individuals for mentorship and early-stage investment. Venture debt, providing debt financing to startups and scale-ups that complements equity funding without significant ownership dilution. Revenue-based financing, repayment of funds tied to revenue performance, reducing fixed financial pressure on businesses. Impact investing, attracting capital from investors seeking measurable social, environmental, or governance outcomes alongside financial returns. You will gain insights into matching innovative funding mechanisms to specific business models, growth stages, and investor profiles. 2. Fintech Solutions and capital raising. Fintech has revolutionized access to capital by streamlining transactions, enhancing transparency, and connecting businesses with global investors. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms, connecting borrowers directly with lenders for faster and more accessible credit. Digital equity platforms, facilitating online equity investment with streamlined onboarding, compliance, and automated reporting. Blockchain and tokenization, using blockchain technology to issue digital tokens representing shares, assets, or debt instruments. Robo-advisors and AI analytics, leveraging automated investment platforms and AI for better capital allocation decisions. Payment and fund management solutions, digital wallets, escrow services, and automated disbursement systems to manage funds efficiently. This section emphasizes technology adoption as a strategic enabler for faster, more efficient, and transparent fundraising. 3. Alternative investment vehicles. Alternative investment vehicles provide flexible and diversified funding options. Private equity funds and venture capital funds, structured vehicles pooling investor capital for portfolio investments in startups and growth companies. Hedge funds and special purpose vehicles, SPVs, designed for sophisticated investors seeking specific risk-return profiles. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, offering access to real estate assets and rental income streams. Convertible notes and SAFE, simple agreement for future equity. Flexible instruments used for early-stage financing without immediate equity dilution. You will understand how alternative vehicles diversify funding sources, attract strategic investors, and provide financial flexibility. 4. Risk management in innovative and alternative funding. While innovative funding expands options, it introduces new risks. Regulatory risk, compliance with emerging legal frameworks for crowdfunding, digital securities, and tokenized assets. Technological risk, cybersecurity threats, platform reliability, and transaction errors. Market risk, investor appetite, liquidity challenges, and valuation fluctuations. Operational risk, managing multiple platforms, investor relationships, and reporting obligations. Module 9 equips you with risk assessment frameworks and mitigation strategies tailored for modern, tech-driven capital raising. 5. Strategic integration and investor relations. Successfully leveraging innovative and alternative funding requires strategic planning and effective investor engagement. Matching funding mechanisms to growth stage. Aligning funding type with operational needs, cash flow, and scalability. Investor education and communication, explaining unconventional funding structures, technology use, and return expectations. Governance and transparency, maintaining robust oversight, reporting standards, and ethical practices for investor trust. Continuous performance monitoring, using dashboards, fintech tools, and analytics to track fund utilization and outcomes. You will understand that strategically integrated funding solutions strengthen financial resilience and investor confidence. Learning outcomes of Module 9. By the end of Module 9, You will be able to identify and apply innovative funding mechanisms suited to different business models. Utilize fintech solutions for efficient, transparent, and scalable capital raising. Understand and leverage alternative investment vehicles to diversify funding sources. Assess and mitigate risks associated with innovative and alternative funding approaches. Develop strategic investor engagement, governance, and monitoring frameworks for modern capital raising.